Yun namang pong disenyong...
Sabi mo, wala sa budget, isusingit pa lang sa budget, pero ang priority would be the condominium. Na sinasabi mo, 3.2 million units by 2028. Yun ang question ko sa DSUD, bakit pinaprioritize yung middle class when your mandate is to help the poor and the homeless?
Yung pong binanggit ko, Mr. President, na mga ipopropose pa lamang ng DSUD na public rental housing at saka yung dalawa pa, bukod po doon, yung existing na pinagkakagastusan ng GAA ng
Ang question
NHA.
ko, why are you prioritizing the 3.2 million condominium for the middle class when your mandate is to help the poor and the homeless? Dapat yun ang first priority. In fact, that is our problem in Las Piñas, that yung inyong condominium na pinopropose, it's not for the poor and the homeless, it's for the middle class. So why are we providing houses for the middle class? They can buy from others because they can afford it. Our priority should be the poor and the homeless. Kasi sa amin, sa Las Piñas, maraming poor and homeless na informal settler. That should be the priority, how to give them houses. Before kasi, yung aming CNP program, we're just giving land to the poor and the homeless. And they will try to save money to build their homes, better homes in the future. And ang amortization lang nun, 500 pesos a month. So they can afford it. The poor and the homeless, they can afford it. Even the tricycle driver and the mga nagtitinda sa palengke. But now, they are prioritizing condominium. Ang condominium, mahal. It's for the middle class. It's not for the poor. Tapos paaalisin nila doon sa lupa yung poor, lalagyan nila ng condominium. Saan nila dadalhin yung poor? That's our experience in Las Piñas. So I'm telling the Secretary what is our experience in Las Piñas.
Yes, Mr. President. Nakikinig mabuti ang Secretary sa inputs ng ating mga colleagues sa bawat locality natin. Kasi lahat yan, pag pinagsama-sama, really give us the national situation sa housing na sinusubukang tugunan ng department. I think what the department is trying to do, Mr. President, good gentlewoman, ay sabay na trabahuin
Hindi
ito
pwedeng
with
sabay.
government funds,
Kasi
prioritizing housing for the
mahihirap,
poor.
nakatira doon sa lupa, natatayuan nila ng condominium. Saan dadalhin yung mahihirap na cannot afford the condominium?
Mr. President, kahit sa condominium, sinasabi nga po ng DSUD na pati ang condominium ay for the poor as long as may interest subsidy. So sinusubukan po ng department
They're telling me
mag-innovate
it's
sa mga
4,000 a
programa.
month.
Hindi daw po, Mr. President, but I'll get
Hindi
the
totoo
updated
yun.
figure on
Yun ang
that.
pinopromote nila, 4,000 a month.